What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Mo from LipFi. And summer is over and it's time for another self-cut tutorial. So, you know, I've been using this tiny little hand mirror for all this time when I do my self-cut, you know, looking at myself back and forth, looking at it's very confusing. I know some of you are finding confusing too. So today I got this 360 mirror from LipFi.com. It basically, you can like fold it up and you can basically hang in the door and you can see yourself from left to right and right to left without using your other hand. So you can basically see back of your hair and all this other stuff while you're cutting your hair. So if you want to check it out, I'll put the link in the description below, and also I'll put my 10% promo code in the description. So if you want to check it out, use it, buy it for yourself, and you know, have some better haircuts at the end. And also for today's tutorial, I'm gonna be doing low fade haircut with, you know, just using 3 guards like last time. So this time no 0.5 guard is required. It's very simple, but you need to have a hair clipper with adjustable lever. I'm gonna be using number 1 guard and number 2 guard and number 3 guard, which is 3mm, 6mm, and 10mm. Without further ado, let's get started.
Alright guys, so let's start with no guard, lever all the way closed. That means the lever is placed diagonally, right? And I'm gonna start creating my first skyline. But the guideline starts with very low position. You don't want to go up too high because we're not doing mid or high fade, we're doing a low fade. And you know, as you can see, you just go right above your ear, but then it goes down, drop all the way back to the bottom, as you can see. You know, the creating a guideline, take your time and don't rush. You know, you got all time to yourself, and look at yourself in the mirror, left and right. Make sure it's symmetrical and consistent. And I'm sorry about the camera angle. I know it's hard to see what I'm doing in front of camera because there's a mirror, so I couldn't really film from like front, but bear with me on this one. And then yeah, so this is just the optional thing, you know, like a lot of you may not have a shaver, but this time I want to use it because previously I posted a review video on my shaver, so I want to test it on my hair. So I'm using my shaver to take out the excessive hair on the bottom, the guideline. So open up your lever. So when I say open, that means the lever is placed horizontally with your hair clipper, and go up in about 1 inch and go up and create your second guideline. Not as high though, you know, you want to go up too high. Once again, this is low fade. You want to be patient, you know, just stay low as possible. But also at the same time, have it done correctly. Alright, so once again, close up the lever, and this time I'm about to flick out that line, initial guideline. I'm trying to zoom in and see what I'm doing with the guideline flicking out motion, but basically what I'm doing is I'm erasing the first guideline and by flicking out the hair clippers. But this time you don't want to go cross that second guideline, you just want to stay within between the area between the first and the second guideline. And you can still see some dark spots, so I'm gonna open up the lever just halfway and perfect the blend. Alright, put your number 1 guard, which is a 3mm, and open up the lever all the way. And this time I'm gonna create the third guy line right above your second guy line. Go up on about half an inch, not an inch. So half an inch is like 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. You don't want to go up too high once again. Just be careful, be consistent throughout your hair, and be patient. Yeah, once in a while it's better to brush down your hair and take out the hair, because right now, like I don't know if you can see it, all the hair is sticking onto my skins, right? Because while I'm cutting right now, it was very hot and it was during the summertime, so I was sweating and all the sweat basically sticks all the hair. So it's nice to brush it out and take out the hair to see the guy line and other things. So yeah, basically, since we're not using the 0.5 guard, close up the lever all the way and try to erase that line between the second and the third guy line. A tip is to try to press a little bit harder than usual, because usually number 1 guard level all the way closed will not take out that line as clean as 0.5 guard. But what we're trying to do is we're trying to get every single hair right here. So you want to press a little bit harder so that the clippers can actually take out the hair, especially on the back. It's hard to take out the hair on the back. So put your number 2 guard, which is 6 millimeters, and this time I'm using a little bit of a corner of the clippers as well as the front of clippers to just flick out. You know, this is flicking out motion is always important. You don't want to create harsh guy line because, you know, we don't have much clipper guards to perfect the fade. So we're just trying to use our wrists to kind of blend in into the hair. Yo, by the way, I know this is a very difficult tutorial, so if you have any questions, you know, like just send me a DM on Instagram or just, you know, leave a comment down below and I'll happy to answer all your questions. What I just did was open up the lever for number 2 guard, and I'm also flicking out a little bit further up so that the blend into the hair up top is nice and better. So yeah, we can still see some bulky dark area, and that's what we're trying to erase and blend in right here. Put your number 1 guard and open up the lever all the way, and using the side and corner of your blades to, you know, like take out the hair, you know, like let's try to take out that line very slowly, one by one. Take out the hair one by one. You see, I'm using the corner of my blades trying to take out that line slowly. You don't want to create a harsh guy lines, you know, so you're just using like the corner. You see it like flicking out with, you know, picking up, flicking out, swing it, take out the hair. By the way, this mirror, I look at the left, you can see yourself on the right side from the left side of the mirror. So you know, it's nice to do detail work once in a while. So it's like put your number 2 guard again, and you know, just go up and try to blend in well. Because we're not using 1.5 guard and 0.5 guard, we have to do this step. Otherwise, we can tell the blend is not very good. And right now, you can see some dark line in the back of my hair. So I'm using no guard level all the way open to erase that line right here. Overall, the fade is coming out pretty good, and this is also optional. If you have a trimmer, that's great. You can shape up your hairline. If not, don't worry about it. If you want to get one, I'll put the link in the description to get one of the cheap trimmers. But you know, it's always nice to keep your hairline sharp and crisp and good looking. You know what I mean? Like it's hard, but it's nice to just keep back and forth and look at your mirror and see the symmetry of your hairline, perfect the box shape around your forehead. Once again, I'll put the promo code in the description. So you know, just if you wanna get one of those like 360 mirror, it's nice to have it. You can hang in any door you have in your room. You know, your room, bathroom, living room, kitchen room, whatsoever. As long as you have a door frame, you can hook it up. I'll put that promo code in the description. Just use it, and you get your 10% off. And hopefully, you know, you save a lot of money by buying all these clippers and trimmers and those mirrors. You know, you invest like 100 euros or 200 euros even, and you basically get to have a free unlimited haircuts for the rest of your life. You know, it's a skill. You know, so I'll suggest you to try it out at home. You know, try to see what you can do for yourself. Also, like during this time right now, it's kind of risky to go outside and get a haircut from a barber shop. So you know, I suggest a lot of y'all try to cut your own hair, and let me know what you think. Let me know how did it go, your haircut, whatsoever. Send me a DM, bro. Like I want to interact with all my subscribers, audience, and everyone. So make sure stay tuned.
I think it came out pretty okay, pretty good. YouTube, this is the cut. What do you guys think? I think for low fade is hard, not gonna lie. This is one of the hardest self-cut I've given to myself. But it came out pretty good, yeah. So what do you guys think? If you like it, if you don't like it, if you think of something else, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And also, if you want to get one of those mirrors, I'll put the link in the description, and I also put the 10% promo code in the description, so make sure to use them and save some money. And I know the second waves are coming in, and a lot of people are going back to school, either online or in-person teaching, but be careful. Like have yourself some fresh haircut and going back to school, or even in front of camera or something like that. But be careful, stay safe, wash your hands, and I'm out of here. Peace!